Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 24th of February 2021 question. Question number 24. It's a memory based question. The population PT at time t of a certain mouse species satisfied the differential equation dpt by dpt dt is equal to 0.5 pt minus 450. If p0 is equal to 850, then the time at which the population becomes 0. So this is the question in the house of differential equation. So differential equation is given here, that is dp t dt is equal to 0.5 pt minus 450. This is given here. So simplifying this, here we get dp divide 0.5, it is 0, 0.5 p minus 450, that is equal to dt. Now integrating both sides, we get ln 0.5 p minus 450 divide 0.5, that is equal to t plus c. And given that p0 is equal to 850, given p0 is equal to 850, so therefore at t is equal to 0, l equal to t is equal to 0, t is equal to 0, so p is equal to 850. So p is equal to this is t is equal to, so p is equal to 850. Now therefore c is equal to, after calculating we get 2 minus 2 ln 50. Therefore 2 ln 0.5 that is here LP is equal to 50.5 and it is, when we simplify it is 50 divide 900 minus p, that is equal to, when we put the value c, that is equal to minus t. That implies t is equal to now 2 ln and the numerator become denominator, so 900 divide 50 and that is 2 ln 0 cancelled off 18. So we reached, the question asks then the time at which the population becomes 0. Okay, the population becomes 0 means p is equal to 0. So note down here we just, therefore p is equal to 0, when we put, then it become this. So our time, we should calculate the time, then the time at which, okay, so the time is equal to t is equal to 2 ln 18 and it is our required solution and our required answer, and our option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 24. Now moving to question 25. If the midpoint of the common chord of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0 and the circle C is 1, 3 and the circle C is 1 comma 3. Then the find radius of the circle C where the center of the circle is 2 comma 1. Okay, so this is also a memory based question. So equation of the circle is given here, that is x square plus y square. The equation is given 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle, and center of this circle is 1 comma 3. Now radius r is equal to, we know, g square plus f square minus c. So after putting this here we get that is c is equal to, so it is 2. So the radius is 2. Now let's draw the circle first. So this is the circle, here is the circle, this is the first circle is given, it is the center which is 1 comma 3, and here is the chord, this one is the chord. So now the second circle, then the radius of the circle C, which circle center is 2 comma 1. So the second circle may be, according to question, it become this. So this is our second circle. So here is the it is the center of the second circle, that is 2 comma 1. It is B, second circle center, and here is the first center is A, and chord is given here, that is, it is the point C and it is D. CD is the chord. So now adding this point to center, and this is the radius. So this radius is also, if the radius is r is equal to 2, so this one is r dash is equal to, we don't know. So now common chord is the midpoint, that is 1 comma 3. Common chord of midpoint, okay, common chords midpoint is equal to 1 comma 3, which is A, and center of the first circle, which is I sketch at in the color black, which is our first circle. So now r is equal to what is r, where the radius of the circle C. Okay, this circle's we should calculate this radius. So at first we should know the value of AB, as it is the center. So we should calculate the value of AB. So AB is equal to root over 2 square, distance between these 2 points, so 2 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root of 5. Now the value of CB is equal to radius. CB is equal to radius is equal to r dash is equal to root over AC square plus AB square, and AC square we know, AC is equal to, we know, 2, as the radius is equal to 2 here, so it is root over 2 square plus AB is equal to, we already know it is root 5, so it is only 5. So now it is 4 plus 5, so radius is equal to 3. So we reached, it is our required answer. And the question asks the find of the radius of the circle of the center. So radius of the circle of the center is 3. It is our required answer. So here is the whole solution of question 25. So these are the two solutions, question 24 and 25. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.